There are two commonly used scales for describing temperature, and which one you use daily will depend on where in the world you are. In all of these countries, you'd describe the weather outside with a number in Celsius. For Palau, Micronesia, the Marshall Islands, the Cayman Islands, Liberia, and the United States, you'd hear a number in Fahrenheit. So for those of us in the US, Celsius can be unfamiliar and hard to wrap your head around. We have a video that shows a quick hack for converting between them in your head. I'm not the best at math, so I've been trying to figure out a way to use my closet to help me get a better understanding. Let's start somewhere simple. 0 degrees Celsius. Water freezes here. If you saw this on the morning weather, then a winter coat is definitely necessary. Probably a hat, maybe add a scarf if you're feeling stylish. 10 degrees Celsius is gonna be pretty chilly. Grab a jacket and some pants. 15 degrees Celsius is still gonna be cool, but getting warmer. You can probably get by with a hoodie. 20 degrees Celsius is springtime. No shorts yet, but a t-shirt will be just fine. 25 degrees Celsius is a pretty nice day. Get comfy. 30 degrees Celsius is summertime. Bust out the flip-flops and sunglasses. So the next time you're vacationing in the south of France, or Norway, you'll have a good handle on thinking in Celsius. And that's the juice.